All right, boys, I'm putting this at the very first bit before you guys get started. This piece, the resonator piece, has to go on after the tail shaft. And if you're using torque solution mounts, it's gonna be a pain, but make sure you install on the hanger, on the torque solution mount, the hole can be down too much, basically. And you're gonna wanna make sure it's up more than it is down because the hanger obviously is up. So yeah, just this would have gone a lot quicker had I known those two bits. So yeah, if you can see in here. And it's have fun with the torque solution mounts. They're on there. What's up, everyone? We're back with the 9th gen Civic Si. If you've been watching the series, then you know that this thing had a turbo on it, and now we are currently converting it back to NA. And while I wanted a little bit more reliability, and I still wanted this car to have good sound. It's always been a dream of mine to have a full exhaust, catless downpipe all the way back. So that's what I got. Catless downpipe that I need to install, and as you're watching this video, you probably know I have a full race exhaust ready to go. I'm pretty stoked. I've always wanted to put a full race on this thing. Even when it was NA, that was like the exhaust I was gonna pick. And then my buddy Alex, who you've seen on the channel, he has a 9th gen sedan that sounds killer, and it's catless downpipe, and I love it. And there's not that much drone in the cabin, so you know, full race was a great choice for me. And shout out to Full Race. I had contacted them about basically some small things, and they immediately responded and clarified everything, and the exhaust was here in a couple days, which that's crazy. So shout out to Full Race. Let's get this thing on. Let me show you all this exhaust. It's so sick. It's still pretty much in the box, but I did unwrap it, so you guys don't get the full unboxing. But man, this looks killer. This is the V-banded option. So if you can see right here, it's got a V-band, and then the other portion has a slip fit. Where it goes to the downpipe is actually obviously the regular phalange. Paired with this, we also got torque solution exhaust hangers, which that's the nice thing about Full Race is if you are buying their exhaust, they sell these. So I just added it to the cart and it showed up in the box. We got some goodies, so license plate cover and a sticker. So Full Race, let's go. You can literally see me in it. I'm pretty excited. This is the money maker though, the resonator. Dude, this thing's gonna sound so good. All right, y'all, we got the gasket here. I could not find my new one, so that kind of sucks, but you know what, it's all good. It's a pro of having freaking 7 of these engines. All right, there it is. That after you run this for a bit, you just double check that these are tight. You know, it's just one of those things. You can't just do this stuff and not go over everything after having it installed for a certain amount of time. You definitely always want to double check on this stuff. Bottom bolts are snugged up and tight. Got the catless downpipe on. Now let's run the Full Race exhaust. I'm so excited. All right, guys. Now that we got our downpipe on, we should be good to take our mid pipe and bolt it up to the downpipe. Somewhat loose, and the reason for that being is I want to make sure the exhaust fits up before I actually go and mount everything, and I want to blue Loctite those. Personal preference, you can argue with a wall. Now we are onto our resonator portion, and we're going to need the slip fit connector out of that bag. Guys, this is a nice piece we got Nice, just slip fit. Look at that. I believe. Yes, sir. And all right, now we move down to our resonator. Yeah. Piece, the resonator piece, has to go on after the tail shaft. And if you're using torque solution mounts, it's gonna be a pain. All right, boys, we just got that on. Now, let's connect our V-band and we should be good to go. With the sacrifice of a finger, we got that back piece on. These torque solution mounts are no joke. Like, man, I sympathize for all y'all who have dealt with that before. First timer. We're done. Boys, the full race exhaust is on, done. That sucked. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product and then you'll get a sound clip. We got the Tessuto catless downpipe paired with the full race V-banded exhaust. And boy, okay, now this thing still needs a tune, so don't hold that against me. This full race exhaust sounds killer. I'm gonna get y'all a two-step real quick. Hey y'all, thanks for watching today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and follow because we're still making content on this thing.